Hi everyone, my name is Allison, Princess of the Desert, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be building a snow unicorn, or at least attempting to anyway. Okay, so as a lot of you know, I am from the American Southwest, and this week, what is it, like February 22nd, 2019, we had a huge snowstorm that hit like basically the whole entire state. And so we have this huge amount of snow. It's like, do you see all of this? This is really not normal for the desert. So it's been snowing all day, it's still coming down a little bit, and so I have decided that last month I built a snowman, and so this month I want to try and attempt to make a unicorn. So we're gonna go out in just a minute. I made a rough sketch, which I will show you. Okay, so this is the sketch I made of how I'm gonna try to build a snow unicorn. I'm gonna make a big body, and then make a head and the ear, and then put on like a carrot for a horn. So this is my snow unicorn plan. Okay, so I am outside now. As you can see, the snow is coming down, like, still pretty good. I'll show you what I've got started so far. I have this big lump of snow, and that's gonna be our body, so I need to make it bigger. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. So I made the body. I think I did a pretty good job with the body. I just pushed it until I couldn't push anymore. And it got kind of dirty because it's picking up a bunch of grass and dirt from the yard, but I'll pack some fresh snow around it and make it look clean later. We all know how difficult it is to keep a white horse clean, just period. So this is what I have so far. I could not combine the first lump of snow I had with this one. It just wasn't working. I couldn't roll it up on top of it. Next I think I'm gonna make a big snowball, like for its head. So I am back. I packed snow all around the unicorn to try and clean it up a little bit so it looks less dirty. And there's fresh snow falling on it, and so that kind of cleaning it a little bit too. So we have the body, and over here I made the head. And so I tried to make this horse head kind of like in a cone shape, I guess. So we're gonna put that on and see how that goes. So we have the head, but I think that's gonna work. Don't you think? If we could keep it from falling off. Or maybe do I need to put it the other way? The other way might be thinner. Wow. Almost lost the unicorn's head. Like that? Or did the other way look better? So we got the head in position. Now I need to get some snow so I secure it so it doesn't roll off. That's true. It kind of looks like a horse. Don't you think it kind of looks like a horse? Kind of? Yeah. Okay. So for the ears, I have a I have a snowball, and I'm going to try and shape it to look pointy. Okay, so there's one ear that works pretty good. Ah! Whoa! His head broke off. Okay, we gotta fix this. Okay, so what do we think? Do we think it looks like a unicorn? I think it could kind of be anything at this point. He's got ears. Got some ears. I need to go and find the horn and some eyes and a nose, and then it should look more like a unicorn. But there we go. There is at least the body. Okay, so I am back, and I think I am finished with the unicorn. I got the last little details put on, and I think that it looks pretty good. Okay, so here is our finished unicorn. I got a carrot for the horn. I'm using this pink lead rope just to give it some hair. The eyeballs, the eyelashes I had left over for when I made my unicorn hoodie. I didn't end up putting them on, but I still had them around, so I thought I would put them on the unicorn, and I just made some little nostrils out of some felt that I just cut out. So here is our finished unicorn. I think that it's pretty good. It's really cute. I wish I could have like shaped the body more, but again, this is the first time I've ever built a snow unicorn. All right, so I am finished with my snow unicorn. It did take a ton of work, but it was pretty fun. I think it turned out pretty good. And you know, there's always the next time it snows. You can always try a bigger and better one, but I'm very happy with this cute little snowman right now. It is big enough for me to ride at least. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. This unicorn needs a name. So leave in the comments down below what you think we should name our magical winter friend. Be sure you do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe to see more of me in the future. And we will see you next time. Bye!